finna eat this. Finna eat this. Finna eat these. I'm finna eat this. Hey y'all, watching Fina Eat, and we are in Pittsburgh. So we came up to visit some family reunion, 4th of July weekend, and they said we gotta come see the Primanti Brothers. So we're here, and I'm hungry, so let's go.
Most popular sandwich we have. It's one of our original sandwiches. Ultimately though, everything on this side of the menu all comes the same way: cheese, fries, coleslaw, tomato, all in between 2 slices of Italian bread. So if you've never been here before, I always recommend to pick your favorite meat and let us take care of the rest.
Okay. Well, we'll just go with the Pittsburgh then.
Go with the Pittsburgh?
Yeah.
You got it.
Alright. Pittsburgh. So the Pittsburgh's original sandwich says they're most popular. So we're gonna see what it tastes like. The Primanti Brothers sandwiches are famous because they put their fries and coleslaw on their sandwiches. So that's one of the main reasons that we're kind of here for real. Never had sandwich with coleslaw and french fries on top. I put it all together myself, but it's nice that a restaurant does it for me. So, this is my first time here. Been to Pittsburgh a few times. Some of y'all know my husband, his family's from Pittsburgh. So, up here for family reunion, 4th of July. Haven't really ate out much coming to Pittsburgh. You know, we usually with the family. So this time I wanted to try something. And like I said, everybody said come see the Primanti Brothers. So we're here. And I'm hungry. And I don't know what else to say. So this is a big sandwich. That's a huge sandwich. This is the Pittsburgh and cheese. Okay, thank you. Got my pickle and burger. Alright y'all, I'm finna eat this. Finna eat this big ass sandwich. Ugh. I like it. Oh, I didn't know y'all was still there, my bad. So, Pittsburgh, Primanti Brothers, doing a very good job. I like the coleslaw, nice and crisp. French fries, nice and soggy. Good to go. And this is Mary, and I'm signing off. Just like. So, Primanti Brothers, if you're in Pittsburgh, you definitely need to stop by. I'm loving it. I'm eating it. So I will see y'all later when I get back to Virginia. Bye.